Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl, your sister, Happy Praise Vlog. Please, if you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified, on that bell. So my whole subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you and may God bless you guys. I love you guys. Get what I want to talk about. What did they share now? Bobby Whiskey don't enter one chance. Bobby Whiskey don't enter problem. Bobby Whiskey, if you know say you don't want help, don't help. You feel just tell the person say send me your account number, give the one who you feel give. Not be say you can't carry person, come put for her house. You know the way things they happen now, eh? You know the way things they happen now. So you get wetin happen for Calabar. Get one small boy, good luck. They call the boy good luck. They stay Calabar with his grandmother. They have no place to stay. So they just now Bobby Whiskey. He can't the good luck can't do life. Say they need help and grandmother. Say they not get ready to stay. Oh. Now Bobby Whiskey say they come down for Lagos. Now Bobby Whiskey take buy flight ticket for them. They come to come Lagos, come meet Bobby Whiskey. As they come meet Bobby Whiskey finish, Bobby Whiskey can't go rent hotel, put them. He can't rent hotel, put them. That first day when they come, now Bobby Whiskey said they fair stay. So at the stay there, they eat, the fresh up. Bobby Whiskey can go drop there for hotel. As he drop there for hotel fee, they can't do hotel. So they can't do there later. Bobby Whiskey can't dey talk say, he say the boy they disturb am, the more that they disturb am say they want go back. You understand? So first of all, I will first put now. I will first watch the video when they arrive. When they arrive, when they come they eat, Bobby Whiskey can't deal with them, can't give the clothes. I'm gonna first watch that place first. So now watch that place.
So guys, Good Luck is in Lagos. This is Good Luck, and Mama is in Lagos. Mama too is in Lagos. So I want them to eat. Then after eating, we'll now talk on what to do. Mama, eat your food. Mama, eat your food. So when you're done eating, guys, I'll now probably tomorrow morning, because it's late, after eating they need to go to bed. Then tomorrow I'll now talk on what I want to help them with. Mama needs to get a better house, you get, and he needs to do something to maybe go back to school. He needs to do something too. So guys, I'll update you guys on what I'm going to do with Mama and Good Luck. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Can this one size you? No. Let's see that one size you. Please put like this, put it on your system. It's size you, Abby?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mama. Size, Abby?
Yes.
Abby?
Yes.
Yes. So if you want to wear it, you open it from here. This is it. That's good. Is it awesome? Someone call me. Is your phone? Mama, yeah, this one is fine. What do I say?
See, I have
Mama, this one.
So guys, now so we see him. Oswegwe segwe. And so we see him. So now that wash and finish. Where Bobby Whiskey, you really try. You try not to say you try. You try. Then you even so clothes. Wait for the new clothes. Wait for them when they go wear. Understand? You sew new clothes. Wait for them when they go wear, and you give them food, you give them shower, and you try for that. And you really try because your other video when I watch, you can't later they talk say they scan you. You see the kind of poverty when they Nigeria when we dey talk about when we say governor or this president, they ignore. Now they supposed to they do all these things. All this governor. Now they see now they see money to they sponsor our children for university for Europe, America. Not be even Europe, America. But poor people dey when they never even eat this money. When they never even see Gary drink, they find common Gary when they go drink, they no see. All this our I don't know. When I go say now they rule Nigeria. I don't see what they look at that grandmother. See the way the grandmother starts the slim, because no food to eat, nothing. Because oh God, Nigeria is a dead zoo, as they talk. Nigeria is a zoo. Because all these politicians, now they scatter money, now they give boys money, they bribe them, they go they do nonsense for now. That money, when they do all these things, why don't they give poor people? Why don't they use they help poor? People go get money, don't feel help poor. So they squander the money anyhow. They useless the money. When people are dying, when people are dying of hungry, when people are there dying of hunger, people are there dying of hungry. Some people never. Some people they even wants to even see once in a day eat. It dey very hard for them. You understand? It dey very hard. Why our politicians, when they come to election, you come to that, you come to this, they go they spend money anyhow. They go they useless money anyhow. When people are dying of hunger, people are dying of no lack of food. Some people go even they sick. People they sick. They not see money to even buy medicine. They not see money to even treat themselves. Me no know when Nigeria go change of their bad behavior. Me no know when good leader want lead us. Only person when supposed to lead us for good, for peace. Now be Yaradua. Yaradua. Just they not let the man stay there. They not let the man enjoy. They not let the man rule well. They all kill the man. The man, when that man enter post, he changed everything. Fuel, he changed that to 30 naira. I be 60 naira. If I'm not mistaken. See, 16 naira per liter. Can you imagine? You put fuel for 16 naira per liter. That's why hungry no dey like this. But now hungry everywhere. Hungry everywhere. People are dying of starve. There is hunger. They no see food eat. Pardon me of my English, oh. I'm not calling you can't speak English because now the thing when they pay me for mind. Now I calling you can't talk because things they happen when we say our government, our say so-called president, governors, all these senators, all this OC badge, all this how do they call an vice president, when they're supposed to look onto, when they're supposed to look into, they not do anyone. They not do anyone. They not do anyone. Until they arrest innocent citizens, they do. We are not supposed to now work. We're not supposed to do. Sorry guys, we're not doing now work. Now rubbish. No, I can't do. So the thing really touched me well. Look at the boy. Look at the grandmother. You will know they are really suffering. Not be like they are really suffering. That is my topic, guys. See you later.